A very good morning, students. In today's class we will be continuing chapter number 10, measurement. We will be doing the last exercise, that is exercise 10F. Question number 1, we have to express 3/5 liter in centiliters. Here I have written the unit. You can see kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. So here we have to convert the liter into centiliter. See, here is the liter, here is the centiliter. 1, 2. It is 2 steps away. So I will be writing this 3/5 multiplied by 100. 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are 0. So 3 multiplied by 20 is 16. Similarly, we will be doing for this 1/5 kiloliter. We will be converting this into decaliter. So we will be multiplying this again with the 100. 1/5. See, here is the kiloliter, here is the decaliter. It is 2 steps away only. So we will be multiplying this with the 100. So what we will be getting? Get cancelled. 20. We will be getting 20 decaliter. Here it is centiliter. Now this one 2/5 kiloliter in hectoliter. Kiloliter, this one hectoliter, only 1 step away. So 2/5 multiplied by 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 and 2 twos are 4. So it is 4 hectoliter. So let us revise these problems. In this we have to express our answer either in centiliter, CL, DAL, decaliter or hectoliter. Here I have written the units. 3/5 liter in centiliter. So liter is here, centiliter 2 steps away. So we have multiplied this with the 100. So you will be getting 60 centiliter. This kiloliter we have to convert it into DAL. Kiloliter is here, here is decaliter, only 2 steps away. So here I have multiplied it with the 10. Next, see this one 2/5 kiloliter into hectoliter. We have to convert this kiloliter into hectoliter. It is only 1 step away. So I have multiplied it with the 10. Now let us do some word problems from this exercise. That is the question number 2. Aryan bought 4/5 liter of milk. On his way back home, he spilled 3/4 of it. How many milliliters of milk did he spill? So we have to find how many milliliters of milk does he spill. So what is given in the question? First of all, let us write that. We will be doing the question number 2. You can take out page number 158. Take out page number 158. We are doing the questions from the page number 158. Students, you can take out page number 158. So let us do now question number 2, the solution. What is given? The milk bought. How much milk was bought? The milk bought, it was 4/5 liter. This much milk was bought. Milk spilled. How much milk was spilled? How we will be finding it? 3/4 multiplied by 4/5. This get cancelled. It means 3/5 liter of milk was spilled. So in liters we know this much was milk was spilled, that is 3/5 liter. but we have to find in milliliters. In milliliters. So how much milliliter milk was spelled? Will be converting 3/5 liter into milliliter. So it would be 3/5 multiplied by 1000. Why I am multiplying it with 1000? Because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So I have multiplied it with 1000. 5 2s are 10, 0. So how much meter? 600 milliliter of milk was spilled. So let us revise this question. The total milk bought, it was 4/5 liter, and how much milk was spilled? It was 3/4 liter of milk was spilled. So how we will be finding it? We will be multiplying this with 4/5. So 3/5 liter of milk total it was spilled. Now the answer that we are getting, it is in the liters. In question it is asked that we have to find the answer in the milliliters. So it would be 3/5 multiplied by 1000. We have to multiply this 3/5 with the 1000. So if we multiply it with the 1000, we will be getting 600 milliliter. This much milk was spilled. Now let us do the question number 4. Now we will be doing the question number 4. The question number 4, that is the Vedant walks 7/10 km from his home to the bus stop. He boards a bus at the bus stop and travels 3/4 km on his school. What is the total distance in meters, kilometers travelled by Vedant? We have to find the total distance. So first of all, what is the total distance travelled? What is the total distance travelled by Vedant? In the question it is given that 7/10 km from home to bus stop and 3/4 km to his school. So we will be adding this to, that is 7/10 plus 3/4 kilometers. Let us add this to. Now before adding this, it is given in kilometer. Let us convert this kilometer into meter. So it would be 7,000 plus, here it would be 3,000 upon 10, here it would be 4. So if we add this to, what we will be getting? 7, this 0 and 0 got cancelled, and if we divide the 3,000 with the 3,000 with the 4, if we divide this 3,000 with the 4, we will be getting 750. So I could write directly 700 plus 750. If we add this 2, we will be getting the answer as 1450 meters. So let us revise this question. We have to find the total distance which is travelled by Vedant. 7/10 of the distance he used to travel from home to bus stop, and 3/4 it is to the school. So we will be adding this to. We have to find the distance in meter. So I have multiplied the 7 with the 1000. So I will be getting 7,000 upon 10, and 3 also I have multiplied it with the 1000. So I will be getting 3,000 upon 4. This 0 and 0 got cancelled, and 3,000 divided by 4 is 750. If we add this 2, we will be getting 1450 meters. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.